Hello everyone, do you want to mirror your Android phone screen on Windows 11? First, open Windows settings, go to System and click Projecting to this PC. Add the wireless display optional feature to project to this PC. Click Optional Features. Click View Features in the View or Add Optional Feature section. Click See Available Features. Search for wireless display, check the box, click next. Once installed, Windows adds the Connect app which enables screen mirroring. Choose the options as follows. Some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC. When you say it's okay, select Available Everywhere on Secure Networks. Ask to project to this PC. Select First Time Only. Require PIN for pairing. Recommended first time configuring the Android device. Configuring the Android device, navigate to Settings, click on Bluetooth and device connection, tap Cast Screencast Smart View, turn on the toggle button that says Enable Wireless Display. Your phone will search for available devices. Select your Windows 11 PC. A pin will appear on your computer. Enter the same pin on your Android phone. Click Accept. Now your Android phone screen will appear on your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.